In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Adobe Stock subscription. To do this, simply going to open up Adobe Stock and in the top right, click on your profile picture. From here, for me it's in Dutch, but just click on Manage Account right there. And that will take you to your Adobe account. Now here you have your membership and you can see in my case, I have Adobe Stock. Now what you want to do is just click on Manage Membership right there. And from here, what you can go and do is either change it or you can end, in this case, my free trial. But if you're already paying, the process is the same. So just click on cancel plan or stop free trial. Now from there, they may ask why, for example, too complicated, and then click continue. And then click on either change my plan, or if you just want to cancel, click no thanks. Now, Adobe can be quite annoying and kind of scammy because I keep getting an error where they won't load my details for some reason, even when I use a VPN, different Wi-Fi, etc. And I'm not sure why that happens, but if that happens to you too, and I have seen this happen to other people as well. So if you also keep getting that pretty annoying message, then what you want to do is just contact support, or what you can also do is change your credit card that you're paying with or your payment method to just some kind of a virtual credit card where you just deposit $1 to create it, and then they will charge it to that, but they won't be able to if they won't let you cancel. But usually just click Manage Membership, then click Cancel, and then it should work. So now you know how to cancel your Adobe Stock subscription. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.